Hi, this is Justin with Marigold and Ivy Cleaning Service, and this is how to clean silver with vinegar and some baking soda. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cup. This is actually white vinegar. I'm going to put it in a bowl. Then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And I got this silver ring here. I'm going to put this in here. Now, ideally, I would you should leave this overnight, but for this video, I'm just going to put it in here, let it sit there for a couple seconds. And now I'm going to take it out, dry it off. And it already looks shinier than it was, but then I'm going to use a cloth like this. You can use a microfiber cloth and just dry it off. And that is cleaning silver with vinegar and a little bit of baking soda.